Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve a smooth, consistent mixture. The quality of your chocolate truly makes a difference in the final taste. Next, we'll create the rich chocolate base. Gently melt your 8 ounces of dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl set over simmering water, ensuring it doesn't get too hot. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until they are pale and thick. Gradually temper the warm, melted chocolate into the egg yolk mixture, stirring constantly until smooth and glossy. Now for the airy texture. In a clean bowl, whip 1 1/2 cups of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, billowy peaks. In another bowl, whisk 3 egg whites until they reach medium peaks. Carefully fold about 1/3 of the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture to lighten it, then gently fold in the remaining cream and the egg whites until just combined, being careful not to deflate the air. Finally, it's time to chill and enjoy your creation. Carefully spoon the mousse into individual serving glasses or a large bowl. Cover it loosely with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set properly. Before serving, you can add a beautiful touch with chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or fresh berries. Enjoy your decadent homemade chocolate mousse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.